Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Holi is just around the corner and it's all about keeping the face bare. So I have come to your rescue. You can create this no makeup look when visiting your friends and family to greet them and look absolutely fabulous. This look is all about a flawless base and giving you a natural makeup look. So we start off with a clean canvas. I am using a facial cleanser to clean the face. Now I'm going in with the moisturizer. Make sure the model's skin is nice and moisturized before I start applying the foundation. For the foundation, I'm mixing two foundation shades to create the perfect color for her. I'm applying the foundation with my hands. You can also use an applicator if you have one. Make sure you cover the neck and ears, especially if they're exposed. It is an important step that you don't want to miss. So I'm going in with an oval foundation brush to buff the product into the skin. The whole point of a no makeup look is making your skin look like you're not wearing any makeup. So make sure the product blends really well with the skin. It is okay to take your time because the more you buff the product in, the more natural your makeup will look and it will still give you the coverage you desire. So I'm going to continue doing this until I'm super satisfied with the final look. I'm going to use concealer to cover the areas I want to conceal. Since the model has good skin, I didn't use much of the concealer, but you can use it to hide any areas on the face that you want. Again, you need to make sure the product blends really well so that it doesn't look too much. One tip you need to know is that you should always use a concealer that is one shade darker than your skin tone or exactly the same. Using a concealer that is too light for the skin may highlight the areas instead of hiding them. If you don't have a brush, you can also use your index finger to blend the product into the skin. Now I'm ever so slightly using the bronzer to warm up the face since it's a natural look. You don't want to go in with a full contour if you want to achieve this look. After all, it's all about the natural makeup, right? Now I'm applying a blush very slightly on the cheeks for that natural flush. I forgot to do the eyebrows. All you need to do for the eyebrows is take an eyebrow gel or pencil and fill the brows. You don't have to apply too much product. Here, this will help your brows look natural and good as well. And a little bit of product will go a long way. Now I am using a setting powder to set the products in that I have applied so far. If you want to apply eyeshadow, then choose a basic brown or a nude pink or a color that matches the color of your eyelids and tap the product in using your fingers. It doesn't have to be perfect. Like I said, a little product will go a long way. Use an eyeliner if you want to highlight the eyes a little bit. This is optional since we're going for a no makeup look. And we're gonna end it by applying a nude lipstick onto the lips. You can use a lip tint to complete the overall look. The whole look is complete and she looks fabulous.